Good morning. Hello, friends. How are you guys? Today, I had a request. So, after my last Allure video, not my last video, but the Allure video, a lot of people asked me what my current favorite skincare products are. And guess what I decided to do? I decided to show you guys. Guys, I hope everything's going well. So LA's still in lockdown, so guess what? I'm making this video. I don't have any makeup products on my face right now, which I just realized I should have done my makeup before this video, but it just also, a part of me just wanted to show you guys how my skin looks using these products. And I use them day and night, so a lot of my products ran out. For example, for cleanser, which is the first step, I usually use the the Glow Recipe Blueberry one. However, I just ran out of that and I threw the bottle because I didn't realize I was going to be making this video. And I have it in my Sephora cart. I just haven't checked it out because I also want to stop by the Americana Sephora and just pick it up because I want it now. So this is the cleanser that I was talking about. I actually really love this. It's the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. I also wash my beauty blender with this just because it's so soft on the skin, and I always love to use products on my blender that match my skin just because I don't want to wash it with like really rough materials. But besides that, I also use the Acura one. I really like this. I know I got this from the Allure Beauty box, but honestly, I really liked it. The more I used it, the more I liked it. A couple weeks ago, we were in Vegas and I forgot my cleanser and stopped by the store, and they had an elf one, which is this one, the Bounce Back Jelly Cleanser. I used this in Vegas, and then again when I got back, elf actually sent me a cute little package and this was in it. So I really like this one. These are some of the cleansers that I use. After cleansers, I use toner. So my current favorite toner is this one. It's I don't know if I'm saying this right, but it's Acar Skin. So I actually fell in love with the bottle. I don't know where I got this from. I think it came in one of my packages. But I fell in love with the bottle because it's like very cool, very slick. The bottle is glass and it's just like very cute. Smells very well. It smells like roses and like heaven. It's beautiful and it smells great. And when I do have a lot of makeup on, I also use this, which is the Bamboo Matte Lotion by Arborian. One of my favorite people in the world, Larissa, if you're out there listening to me, I love you so much for introducing me to this. She introduced me to this like a while ago, and I'm on my either third or fourth bottle, and this lasts a long time. Like, I think I've had this for maybe 3-4 months at this point. But mind you, during quarantine, I didn't wear a lot of makeup, so I didn't really need to use this. But this is a really good essence to put on your face. Some people even use it as a toner. I highly recommend it. I love, 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 love this. As you can tell, I'm like already on the bottom of my bottle. So after I take everything off with my cleanser, I wash my face and make sure the remaining of the makeup is taken off. I use serum. So Ole Henriksen, which is also in my Sephora cart because I also ran out of that, but then I remembered I had a sample from them that they sent me like a while ago. So Ole Henriksen True Serum is amazing. I really like this because it smells, first of all, freaking fabulous. It smells like oranges and citrus. But in addition, it has a collagen booster. It has vitamin C in it and it brightens my face. When I don't use this, I use this one. It's called Lou. This is more of a hydrating one. So if I feel like my skin is not getting very hydrated, as you can see, I've used like more than half of it. When I feel like my skin's not hydrated enough, especially in the winter, I use this one just because this one has hyaluronic acid and it can also plump my skin and makes it look a lot brighter and more hydrated. After that, talking about hydration, I like to moisturize my face, and I'm telling you guys the steps of how I do it instead of just showing you the products, because I feel like it's really important to put the products in the right steps for you to get the maximum results. So for moisturizer, I actually have a couple favorites. So let me show you guys. It's like falling off. So first and foremost, I love the Ole Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. This is amazing. On days that I'm not gonna wear makeup, I just leave this on my face and just go. On days that I do wear makeup, this is a really good primer also. I use this as a primer. I mean, they also have like the banana primer, but this can also be used as a primer. So that's one of my favorites. The next one is this one from Glow Recipe. I just love Glow Recipe so much. It's their Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. You guys are gonna make fun of me, but this is like mine, and like I have a little A on it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's because my husband has one too. He loves the smell of this so much that he bought one when he was living by himself. It's so funny. When we moved in, I'm like, wait, is this yours or mine? It was hilarious. And then in the winter, when my skin feels way too dry, I actually use the Summer Friday Jet Lag mask. This has been through so much with me. It looks so bad, but honestly, this is amazing. I love this so much. Of course, I love all the products I'm showing you because they're my favorites. I don't recommend people products that I don't personally love. Like if there's products that I don't like, I would never tell you guys, hey, try this. But this has been through hell and back with me. Like, I will tell you, this is amazing. It's been to trips with me. In the winter, this is like what I use all the time. I know it's a mask, but I use it as a moisturizer. You can also use it as a mask and take it off, but I just leave it on because this is just so great. But in the summer, like for now, I'm not using this just because this is way too heavy for me. What I am using in the summer is this Sephora collection, what is this called? Hyaluronic Acid All Day Hydrator. So this I love in the summer because the formula is so light. Like, here, let me show you guys. It's just, it feels so light and it's cooling and it feels like there's nothing on my skin. In addition, it has hyaluronic acid, so it's amazing for plumping the skin, making it look, you guys, like it feels so nice and glossy. I just love this and it's very lightweight, so I love it in the summer. What I have just discovered, which is just as phenomenal, Kate Somerville, the Recovery Cream. I discovered this by accident. Someone sent it to my house. I don't know if it was a friend or I think one of my friends actually sent this to me. It doesn't have the best smell, at least not for me. Like, I don't think it smells really good, but it is so thick. It's so thick it doesn't even want to come out, and it's so nice and hydrating. I'm absolutely in love with this. This is one of my new favorites. In addition, Laura Mercier sent me their new moisturizer, which is the Perfect Cream Multitasking Moisturizer. This, on the other hand, smells so heavenly. I'm obsessed with the smell, but also it's very lightweight. Like, a little goes a long way. You can literally moisturize your whole side of your face with just like that tiny amount that I put on my face, and it just feels so nice on the skin. It's amazing. I also love this. And if you guys have the money, I can't justify myself spending like more than $100. Actually, more than $100. Actually, more than $50 on a moisturizer. But if you guys can, La Mer is for you. So, funny story. A couple of my friends encouraged me to apply for the affiliate program with La Mer, and while I love getting free stuff and I'm so grateful for everything any company has ever sent me, I really am. I'm very grateful for it. People think it's just very easy to apply and get free products, and people expect like full-size products. When I got this, I was so happy that La Mer even considered to send me a sample. I showed it to my friends, and a couple people one person in particular actually was like, that's it, that's all you get. Yes, that's all I get, but you know what, it's okay. I'm grateful for this little thing that I have. This is the La Mer moisturizing cream. I'm not a fan of the smell, but it smells very natural. It smells like a forest. The consistency is a very thick, which is what I love, and a little goes a long way. I just can't justify spending this much money, like a lot of money. It's very expensive on getting the La Mer moisturizer. I personally can't. I mean, if you can, go for it. It's amazing, highly recommended. But me, myself, and I maybe in like 5-10 years when I'm making a lot of money, but as of right now, I can't. So the next step I do is face oil. I try in the summer not to use face oil, but in the winter when my skin is very dry, I use face oil. And the one that I use is from 4-3 Beauty. This is what it looks like. It's called Skin Hero Face Oil. It's a very nice, gentle face oil. I use it all over my face. Drops goes a long way. So don't use too much. Like, I think I've had this for about like 6 months, and like this is how much I've used from it. So after that, I do like usually around my eyes, on the bottom and on top. Don't forget the top, because this part also sags if you don't use anything. So in my last video, I showed you guys the AHC Moisturizer Real Eye Cream for the face and eyes. I started using this every single day after I put it around my eyes, on my eyelids, around my forehead, like this general area. And I've been loving it. Like, it is so beautiful. I overall like Korean skincare, so this highly recommend. Also, what I love, you guys are gonna hate me so much, but it's this Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. Like, I'm almost like hitting the bottom, as you guys can see, but this stuff is amazing. It brightens your dark circles. It has vitamin C in it, so it's very brightening. It's also moisturizing, and this is also really good to have on the bottom of your concealer because it will hold your concealer in place. And then another one that I'm like obsessing over now, and I think I'm gonna go buy a bigger, like the actual size, because Laura Mercier sent me their illuminating eye cream. First of all, it smells so amazing. Second of all, this, I put it on and I was so obsessed with it. Like, it feels like it's like tightening the skin. It just feels so nice. I love it. It also smells amazing. Like, I love when products smell good. So that's another one. And of course, I just got this from like Sephora sample package, I guess. Like, you know, when you put in your code and you get like a free sample, like whatever promo code, and they give you a trial size of something. So this is a La Mer, the eye concentrate, and this stuff, while I really don't like the smell, this stuff is good. If you can get your hands on this, highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. So after my eyes, I usually like to spray my face and make sure it's hydrated. Usually I've been using this coconut rose water, and I usually get this on Amazon. However, I went to Marshall's last time and they had it's around like $8 at Marshall's. So if you see it, or TJ Maxx, just get it. It's amazing. Like, you just spray your face and it feels so damn good. But also lately I discovered the Aqua Rose Hydrosol Renewing Facial, and this smells heavenly. If you guys like, it's one little spray, if you guys can smell it, I feel like I'm in a rose garden. I feel like there's millions of roses around me. Every time I spray this, I get so many people asking me what perfume I have, and it's not a perfume, it's just my face mist. I love it. Like, it makes people think I'm wearing perfume even though I'm not wearing perfume. It's actually really funny. And I know this is not a spray, but Milk has their cooling water. Sometimes when I feel a little dehydrated and before I put on my makeup, I put this on as well. Next, for lip products, lately I've been using the ColourPop Lippy Scrub. It feels just like the Jeffree Star lip scrub. I mean, of course it's ColourPop's, so it's not Jeffree Star's, it's ColourPop, but it just feels the same. Like, it feels so damn good on the lips. This is in Bellini BB. And then at night, when I'm going to sleep, I use the Laneige sleeping mask, and I am obsessed with this. Like, this is so damn good. You guys can see I've already dug in it. But it's so damn good. It keeps your lips plumping and looking so damn good all night. And you wake up in the morning, especially if you're wearing matte lipstick, this is a must before and after. You know what I mean? Because some matte lipsticks are great, but others are so drying. And then I also just wanted to show you guys the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. This, I know this is like not a face product, but I also use this on a daily basis, especially around like my elbows and like my arms. This has been a miracle. Before, I used to specifically only use Victoria's Secret's lotions and scrubs, but lately I've been using this, and they also have a body glow. And oh my god, I used the body glow in Vegas when we went to the pool with my friend, and literally our legs looked so damn good. If you guys have a chance to try that, please do. Like, it's amazing. Like, says someone who's only used like Victoria's Secret body glows, Victoria's Secret lotions, Victoria's Secret everything. That's what I grew up with, and then I discovered this lotion and I discovered their body glow, and I was mind blown. I was like, oh my god, I can't believe I've never used this products before. They're so amazing. That is all I have for today. I know a couple of people asked me about masks. I didn't put masks in this video specifically because I just have a lot of masks, where if I was to go into masks, this video would just take forever. So maybe I'll just do a separate video with the masks that I use and what I use them for and how I use them. For example, the Summer Fridays, I have the other two masks as well. I have the exfoliating mask and the R&R, which is like the rose petal, and I love them also so much. I have drugstore masks and I have luxury masks, so maybe I'll do a video of all the masks, or I'll do trials of the masks so you guys can see it on me. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you again for hanging out with me. Hope this was very helpful. These are the products that I use on a daily basis. I know a lot of people ask about my skin. Of course, like, these are the products that work for my skin, so please try them before you buy them, or try them and then if it doesn't work, return them, I guess. I don't know. Do people even like, can you return beauty products? I don't know. But anyways, thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for spending some time with me and listening to me blab about my favorites. If you guys liked any of these, please let me know if you've tried them, or if there's anything else that are similar to these products that I should try. Thank you. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!